Before we continue on with the building of the door and putting windows in, I've got something to show you that we just got in the mail. Really pretty nice. We have just got these valve covers, cast aluminum valve covers with a coil cover. And these are really nice for the price that I got them for. We've got all the hardware for mounting. These guys for mounting the valve cover onto the head, and then the other hardware to mount the coil packs, and then hardware to install the coil covers on top of the valve cover. So really nice stuff. It's a cast aluminum, and of course it's from China, but it looks like it's nicely made. It's a thick cast aluminum. I think I measured on the sidewall thickness, 4 millimeters. And then on the valve covers themselves, and these are heavy. These are not just cheesy, thin sheet metal. I think I measured, I think it was 11 millimeters wall thickness on the valve cover portion. They're vented, and they've got the vents, so that's good if you're building up pressure in the crank into the crank area. You're going to be able to release it. So both of those have they're vented. The one drawback of this setup is that the oil fill is covered over, but it's not a big deal because we've got four bolts that shouldn't be a problem to take off, and there's nothing else that's going to sit on top of here that's going to be in the way. So to fill, change oil or add oil, not a big deal. The hardware, I don't think that it's stainless. I've got to double check on the order form. My guess is that it's zinc coated, but still not bad. We got the complete set of hardware. The mounting bolts for the valve covers, they've got insulators and O-ring, so it should seal off fine. They've got valve cover gaskets. Now this is the one possibility that they may be not quite right, but we'll find out. I have not tried fitment onto the engine at all, and this is what we still have. We have the stock valve covers with the stock coil packs, and I think we shouldn't have a problem fitting everything in, but I am not going to be use those coil packs or this mounting bracket, I don't think. I think the coils will mount directly onto the valve cover using these spacers. But we'll find out. I ordered one square coil pack, and should be coming tomorrow or the next day, and we'll give it a try just to see how it fits. But anyway, this is slightly on the ugly side just because things are exposed. I did order at one time, and I sent it back, was a coil covers, and it was just basically the original valve covers, but it was just a bent piece of sheet metal, and the ends were welded, but for the price, it was really cheesy. In fact, it was more expensive for that sheet metal version of just the cover than these complete valve covers and coil covers. So I'm excited about it, and we're going to have a video of assembling this coil packs and to install them. So just want to give you a heads up on that. That's on the way.